Hello guys, have you ever thought about cooking a Rhea egg? Well, I have, and this is my video. So because you get so much in one egg, I decided to go for scrambled egg so I could reheat it and eat it all later. When sourcing the egg, I actually went to the farm myself and I found a nice warm egg that had just been laid, so I knew it was nice and fresh and I had nothing to worry about. I've just used a standard scrambled egg recipe. I've put a bit of milk in there, quite a bit of salt, quite a bit of pepper, and then I melted some butter on over the heat. Poured the mixture in and scrambled it. One egg filled a whole frying pan. I don't think I used about a third of the egg in to make 2 slices of toast, so that's not bad going. I didn't actually notice any difference in taste from a normal chicken egg to a Rhea egg. Obviously it's just a lot more in volume. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.